Hey everybody, welcome
Hi.
back. And for this one, we are drawing Hey Duggee. Let's get started, easy.
Yeah.
We are going to start in the middle as usual. And we're going to draw a line there, so there and there. So just follow me. We're going to draw one going like that. And another one going like that. Now we are going up here and we're going to draw a little dome. Got that? From the dome, we're going to draw like these ear flaps. And on the other side as well, another ear flap. Got it? At the bottom here, we are going to connect that line. So we draw that line straight across. Okay, so we've basically got his head shape. So now, about in the middle of this space, we are going to draw a little nose, black dot. You got that? From the nose, we're going to go out, either way, see it? Come down and draw a little smile. Now we're going to have to double up on that shape and go inside it. And draw that shape again. Got it? Did you draw his tongue without me?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to draw my tongue. And there we got Duggee's tongue. Now we are drawing two circles touching the nose. With pupils. And there we have Duggee's face. Let me see yours. That's Duggee's face. So now we're drawing, extending these lines just a bit because we're going to draw a line across again.
Oh, I did that.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a bit. So we're going to draw a line going right across again. You got it? In the middle, we make a little square. Draw two lines to form a square. That's going to form part of his tie. And we are going to draw the rest of his tie. And with a triangular tip at the bottom. You got it? Now extend an arm that way and same thing on the opposite side. And we extend the second bit of an arm and the other side as well. Straight line off on the edges of the arm. And now we draw three fingertips. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
The other side as well.
1, 2,
3. Yeah. Now we must draw the Duggee's body and we're drawing till there. Look here. And we stop. And we're drawing a little bowl shape and we stop. Now we
looks so cute.
now we fill a line in between there. Let me see. So from these lines, we're going to draw his legs. He was a bit lopsided. And we square off the legs. See here? We got the legs squared off. Yeah, that's good. And now 3 tippy toes. Other side as well. 1, 2, 3. And now a line going right across because Duggee's wearing a pants.
And what about the
There
bench?
we go. So now I've actually took out the smaller markers. Let's hope they work. They might be dry. Take one. Because the badges, yeah, it's just easier to draw with a smaller marker.
Yeah.
So a circle, the same size marker and a circle inside it. And then another circle with a smaller circle inside it. So that badge is slightly different.
Yeah.
An upside down triangle.
Yeah.
Then what's inside it? Another upside down triangle.
Then we are at jump diamond.
And a diamond shape with another one inside it. And there we have it, everybody.
Yeah.
That's Duggee. So we can grab some colors. Please like,
Do subscribe.
do subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified of any new videos.
Yes.
Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye. Noise.
Noise.
Noise.